Today I've got the perfect festive treat for the holiday season: soft, chewy cake mix cookies with sprinkles. They're super easy, crazy delicious, and perfect when you're short on time but still want something homemade. Let's get started. I've got a box of white cake mix here. It is the secret to keeping these cookies soft and fluffy. To that, I'm adding a little baking powder. A quick whisk does the trick, breaking up any lumps in the mix so everything's nice and smooth. I've got 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Next, let's pour in some canola oil and vanilla extract. Whisk that all together until it's well combined and silky smooth. Time to bring it all together. Add your wet mixture right into the bowl with the dry ingredients and gently fold until it's just combined. And now for the fun part. If you've got kiddos, this is their time to shine. Have them toss in those holiday sprinkles and use a spatula to fold them in gently. Grab a cookie scoop and portion out the dough onto your prepared baking sheets. Make sure you leave at least 2 inches of space between each cookie because they are going to spread in the oven. Pop them in at 325 for 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the tops are crackly and the edges are slightly golden and the surface looks dry. Once they're out of the oven, let them rest on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And that's it. Holiday cake mix cookies, soft, chewy, and bursting with festive sprinkles. These are perfect for parties, gifting, or a sweet gesture to leave out for Santa himself. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out the recipe linked in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more easy recipes. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.